Okay, so I just woke up
Good morning
with
to
seeing
myself.
myself. Oh, yeah. I look at the mirror and I say, how can you be so beautiful?
Just the view.
But yeah, when I see the luxury in Dubai, I see
Good morning,
Khalifa,
Khalifa.
the waterfront properties, the private yachts, and the swimming time. Time for swim. चलो 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 अभी bathrobe उतारो. हाँ बहुत time हो गया. Get the swimming suit and dive in. But मैं इसकी वीडियो नहीं ले पाई because मैं फ़ोन रूम में भूल गई थी. Then
So the target
telling
is
myself that
the
I'm gonna be
124th
on the top of the floor.
Burj
But it was
Khalifa.
actually
Currently, it's like
124th floor.
55,000 per person.
Actually, I was thinking to go for.
But
It's very
let's see.
expensive actually to go on the top.
Will I
but,
make it to the top?
I think one day I'll
At the
be
world's top.
just spending a lakh just to go on the top.
So,
And anyways,
I
let me
am
enjoy
ready
my luxury,
with my breakfast,
my juice, and the view.
the view.
So view was there, water was there,
Isn't it
yachts were
amazing?
there,
Even the view.
and it was me.
If you
again.
look here,
As in, I love good views. I love
it's actually the
skyscrapers, skylines. Some wait to see my Michael Kors, as in my luxury watch, my luxury dress, my luxury earrings.
You should come, right?
Some more tushin with my
Yeah.
luxurious
Who is
sandals, blingy blingy. And चलो अभी हमने पानी बहुत ज़्यादा देख लिया, छोटी सी शिप्स देख ली, खाना वाना